back with our new video. And in our previous video I have made the skin means how to give a realistic look to glass in the portrait. So I have done that in previous video. If you have not seen, you can check it out from our channel. I will also post the link in the description. Now in this video we are going to learn about the skin tone, how to give a skin tone shade in the picture. So first of all, in my picture, as you can see, I have not started yet. I will start it. You can see here, this part is very light. It is actually a highlight, means sun rays are falling in that side, so that's why these parts are highlighted. So we will make this in that way only. This is middle tone. In this side middle tone is given, and at last in this side, due to sun rays are falling in this side while taking the photograph, so this side it is done a dark shade, dark tone is given. Similarly at the down part also the same shade has been given. So we will cover this first half only. So let's start it. For giving the skin tone, we will use three kinds of pencil. One is 2H pencil, another one is 2B pencil, and third one is 4B pencil. 4B pencil will be used in the dark side, 2B pencil will be used for giving the middle tone, and 2H pencil will be used for giving the light shade.
So here we are completed with our drawing. Like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe if a new viewer, because we are coming with our new videos very soon.